What's up to Mimi? What's going on? Money promoter, what's good? Debt 5. Yeah, it's too early to Mimi. It's too late for coffee. I'm not drinking coffee till like later. It's still it's it's 1:20 where I'm at. 1:20 in the morning. I passed out on the couch. What up, Debt 5? Dilzik, Satinder Singh. I have days where I wish I mean, right today, right now, like, look at this. I fucking was like, I'm going to sleep. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm gonna take a quick little power nap that turned into like a 2 hour fucking thing. And I missed all of this. One, two, three, four. I literally missed all of this. All of this. I missed a 100 point bounce. It was dumping when the last time I looked at the laptop, like, yeah, this shit's just gonna keep dropping. I wake up and I miss this entire fucking move. Maybe I missed it. Maybe it was a blessing. But there's days where I wish I didn't wake up. You know what happens after I blow another fucking funded Apex account? That's about when I'm like, man, I wish I fucking either went to sleep sooner or fucking didn't even wake up. It's been like that the last few days. Debt 5's lurking on the drive to work, no doubt, bro. Money promoters trading 9 Bullinox accounts today. That's fucking cool. Yeah, look at this hourly chart. I don't see much chop here. I mean, I see fucking opportunity if you're a trend trader, right? To just ride this shit down and then ride this shit way back up. The one thing I'm noticing is where it kind of, depending on where you want to draw your fib, if you want to draw it from the last high down, you could say you know, we're at the we rejected off the 786. You could say that. You have a pivot point here on the hourly. You have the bottom orb. We're at the bottom orb and a pivot point on the hourly. I could expand this and say, well, we rejected off the 707, right? Because we can manipulate the fib to fucking suit our bias of what we want to see. But regardless, we are in this fucking golden pocket area. But I mean, you got the upper VWAP band, you have the orb, the bottom orb right here. So if I go to the 15, that pivot point goes away. But look, the pivot point, it did not give a fuck about the pivot point on the 15. It did not care. What I did notice is right here is we dipped below the orb, tried to get back over it and rejected hard. And then we just kind of worked our way down, which is interesting. But who knows? What up, HR? AS, what up? What up? It's DCA LeConte. Diddy standing over me, breathing heavy. You don't like this price action, Bowser? I don't know. I miss all of this. So I'm kind of a little annoyed about that. I think the last time I was looking, I think I was right around here is when I actually was looking to like maybe do something, and I was just fucking exhausted. What up, Sam Gaming? What up, man? What up, Saad? What's good? Where's Jen Marco at? I need to tell her something. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Yeah, Mr. Singh, I know, man. I'll be sleeping for that. I will be sleeping when CPI happens. By the time I wake up, it'll be the aftermath. But yeah, I mean, look at this. This was like when the European session opened, or Germany, or whatever the fuck it's called. 747. It was like 50 something points, and then London opened, and we've been chopping. I guess for London, we've been chopping between the VWAP and the bottom orb. Is the bottom orb. So who knows? What's up, Bullish Bear? I didn't really do much trading. Well, that's a lie. This was down a fuck ton. This was up 800 or 900 bucks. Then I was down around the same 700 bucks. This is a my funded futures EVA. I did not trade my funded futures account yet. I did manage to get it up another 400. Well, get it back up 400 or so bucks yesterday after fucking hitting the daily loss limit for the second time, which is really fucking annoying. And then I traded number 89. I do have my daily loss limit set. My risk settings fucking set up. Unlike 88, I wish I did that for 88. I fucking forgot. I straight up dumb fucking degenerate fucking forgot. If I would have had I done that yesterday, I would have probably saved myself from nuking number 88 that was at $3,200 in fucking profit. I literally fucking nuked it like a fucking loser. Cost myself $2,000. I literally fucked myself over for 2,000 bucks. I was on like day 9. So this account, I have the daily loss limit set. I'm gonna honor it. It's up like 67 bucks. Maybe I won't trade it anymore. But I wouldn't mind getting that up a little more, but I don't give a fuck because I have a daily loss limit set. But I'm missing out some good opportunities. That's for sure. The only other funded account I have with Apex right now is number 96. And then I have 523 and 524, 523 and 524, which are evals, which damn, if I would have fucking I mean, whatever. I missed it. It is what it is. No thesis, LeConte. What's up, Franny? Traded to B. Jimmy Kaffa. No thesis, trade micros. The trend is your friend. Learn SMT, ICT. I'm. What was the other one? Yeah, SMT. Yeah, the SMC. Don't forget about ZDJ concepts. ZDJ concepts is the new one. We're gonna trend it. Well, I only have one take profit trader account, and yes, I do still have it. I passed today. I mean, I traded. I tried. I tried to make money with micros. This is what happens when I try to make money with micros. But I'm done. This account. This is today was day 5, so it is official. Today is official. Once today is over, Thursday morning, I will have a funded take profit trader account, or as they like to call it, a pro account. So I finally fucking passed this shit, and I'll have a funded account starting Thursday. Trader to be, I will be sleeping during CPI, without a doubt. As much as I'd love to participate in that fuckery, I will be sleeping. What's up, Hector? For me, what's the best funded account? I mean, Hector, man, it's a great question, man. Um, did I say what's up to you, Saad? I think I did. I think I did see you, Saad, man. What's up? What's up, kid? What's up, my man? I'm pretty sure I saw you, but I'm seeing you in the chat now. I'm pretty sure I said what's up to you, but what's up again? Anyway, man, I think I like, so I trade with my fund of futures, take profit trader, and Apex. Out of the three, I think take profit trader does have the best payout policy. You could literally request a payout. I'll show you. I mean, that's my little notes for the fucking stream. First of all, there's no consistency rule on funded accounts with take profit trader. You can DCA, you can microscout, you can bracket trade, you could have inconsistent position sizing, you can gamble the opening range breakout, you could trade earnings. They just don't want you trading FOMC, CPI, and non-farmer payroll with a funded account. And they don't want you trading crude oil inventories. They don't want you trading crude on crude oil inventory day. They don't want you trading bond auctions, bond futures on bond auction day. But you can literally get paid every single day. And that's why I keep pushing forward with Take Profit Trader. And I have not gotten a payout from Take Profit Trader. I think they're the best, though, in terms of that. You can literally get money every single day. The only prop firm I've been able to get a payout from to date is I am live right now, bro. I'm live right now. Bro. Anyway, check this out. The only prop firm I've been able to get a payout from to date is Apex. This is my last payout. I just got it. It hit the bank last Friday. Apex is the only one I've been able to get a payout from. In terms of prop firms, here it is. I've gotten 1, 2. Well, you could say 3, 4, 5, but really this is payout number 3, which came from 3 different accounts. So I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 10,750 total. And then my fund of futures, I kind of just started trading with my fund of futures like a month or so ago, a little over a month and a half ago. I don't remember. And I'm on my second funded account. I had another one, and I fucking just kept hitting the daily loss limit, even though I had the minimum requirement of days. So is this a triple top here? Look at this. They're gonna bounce at the 21. So we dump in here. Let's see what happens. No thesis. No thesis. Hashtag no thesis. No matter what happens, I have a fucking short leash. Oh, I guess it's gonna keep dropping. Thought maybe we bounce off the 21 like we did here. Guess not. I guess we're going down to the VWAP. So look what happens here. I was up 66 bucks. I'm probably going to end up down about 120, which is fine. That was a bad read. I'm so fucking good at this shit lately. I'm honestly, like, the shit I look for, it always works when I'm not looking for it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit the daily loss limit, and then I'll be done for the day. I'll have another day locked in. I wish I went short, but whatever. Let's see. I'll add here or not. Yeah, I'm gonna hit. That should stop me out right there. There we go. See it? Yeah. So look, I have my risk settings. I mean, that sucks. I was up 66 bucks. Now it's gonna bounce. But check this out. The thing about what's funny about TradeAway is I could literally go and turn this fucking thing off right now. I could go on tilt. I could be annoyed and turn this off, but I'm not going to. I'm done for the day because I have. Let's see how many days I have left on this fucking account. Go to the PA charts. Yeah, I'm on day 9. So by the time like Friday hits, I'll have my fucking mandatory 10 days in. I can request a $2,000 payout from this account. I'm over the threshold. I don't have any days where I violated the consistency rule. This one I still have to trade a bunch. I guess we're going down to VWAP though. There it is, the VWAP. So let me move on to the next account. There it is. Awesome read by me. Wow, blowing right through it. Oh, you fuck. Let's see what happens. Let's see if VWAP holds here. So I won't as long as I have those risk settings set, locked, I can't trade this account anymore for the rest of the day. As long as I don't go in there and uncheck it like a fucking, a degenerate, which I have done before. So I'm good. I got this fucking, then I got to trade another day and I'll do the same thing. I'll have the daily loss limit and I'll take some shots or one shot, really. What up, chill out? LFT, what's good? Anonymous Giraffe. I'm not going to be awake, bro. I don't know. Maybe I should just, yeah, no problem, Hector. It really all depends. I mean, and there are other prop firms out there, obviously. Top Step's pretty good. I just don't really fuck with them. I had a Top Step account. I actually had a funded account, but I managed to fuck that up. I could have requested a payout, and I was like, oh, let me get some more. That was a few weeks ago. So that's just another part of the game. The mental game is huge with this shit. Let me just put a stop here. I'm not trying to get fucking into trouble with these funded accounts. I've done enough damage with my funded accounts. I had 3 more earlier. I had 5. I had 5 on Monday. Now I only have 2. Look, it's not giving a fuck about VWAP. Let's see. I mean, if you look here, like on the hourly, look at this rejection off the bottom orb is the red line. You can barely see it there, but you can see it on the 15. But you also have a pivot point on the hourly, and we rejected right off of that shit. And we're down 40 something points. I guess the VWAP isn't gonna fucking hold for support. Jen Marco, hey Jen, lost some time. What up? Did I lose a PA? Lost some time. I lost 2 PAs yesterday. I'm so good at this shit. I lost 2 PAs yesterday. One of them was locked for a payout until I decided to keep fucking trading it. I never set my risk settings to not let me lose. I mean, to say Don't let me lose more than $100 or whatever it was. I keep it short. I'm gonna forgot to put myself on a leash yesterday, and I fucking wrecked it like an idiot. Total fucking idiot. Total. It's like yesterday was an embarrassing day. What up, server Thanos? What's good? Oh, Assad had two NQs. Hey, look, it worked out for you. Anonymous giraffe. I have. I don't think. No, I won't be. I won't be awake. What up, Curtis? Building back up from drawdown. You know what's funny? Like almost every take profit trader account I blew, I hit the daily loss limit. That's the thing. Like Hector, if you're gonna try out take profit trader, um, the the only thing that you want to be careful of more than anything is the daily loss limit. Damn, is this gonna fucking? Is that it? Was that the pop? Was that the bounce off the VWAP? Now we're going back down. What the fuck? Ugh, gross. I guess I'm gonna get stopped out. Interesting. What up, Ultra? Jen, I know we were talking about the Discord the other day, and I told you I would add you to the ladies' room in the Discord. It's done. You're in there if you want to hang out in the ladies' room on the Discord. Yeah, here we go. I'm about to get fucking stopped out. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Look who's getting bottom ticked again. It's fucking amazing. It's so fucking funny. Bottom ticked every fucking time. Look at that. Already 4 points. Amazing. Let's fucking see what happens here. Is it just gonna keep going down now? Because I got back in. Yes, see, last night was crazy. Why am I even doing this to myself? I fucking suck. I can't trade anymore. I don't know. I just can't fucking trade anymore. Last night, if I go short, last night the same thing happened to me. I got bottom ticked, and a lot of times when I get bottom ticked, I go back in long, and then it just goes back up because I always get fucked. So yesterday I was like, oh, let me just stay in short for a continuation down, and and instead it actually bounced, and I moved to fucking funded account. That's fucking crazy. Nayo, what's up? DCA LeConte. Here we go. Is it gonna keep dropping? I'm just getting fucked with. Why am I even trading my funded account? That's like the other question. This one is whatever. I'm done for the day. But why even bother trading a funded account? I think I was up for a hot second too. Like what, 30, $40? I guess I should have taken it. Oh my God. The one time I should have kept going short. What's it going to reject off? Oh, it's going to reject off my average fill. That's funny. I can see that happening. I can't tell you how many times that's happened to me. The spread's pretty bad. The spread's like a full point. Matt Garage, what up? Plates just fell in your kitchen. Shit, yo. What the fuck's going on? Yeah, look, of course. Couldn't it just keep going up a little bit more? Whatever. I'll call it a day with this account. I'll fucking try again during. Actually, I don't even know. I might as well just fucking keep trading this and fucking wreck this one too. It's been one of those type of weeks with Apex, just wrecking accounts left and right. All I had to do was go short, I guess. Just fucking stop me out already. Put me out of my fucking misery. Watch this. Watch this. I get stopped. Look at this top ticked. The bottom ticked every fucking time. Is it gonna keep going down though? I'm just getting fucking tortured right now. Look at that. Ugh, whatever. Oh my god, what am I doing? This shit was over. What is it down now? Already. Looks like that. I'm down 600, 700 bucks. Unreal. I just don't see this shit anymore. I can't see it. It's just gonna come all the way down this far. We're back at a pivot point here. You would think we're gonna bounce here, but not for me. Yeah, I just can't read this shit anymore. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. I wish I wasn't doing this with a fucking funded account. Earn to trade. Yeah, I know of earn to trade. I know of earn to trade. All these payout policies don't matter if you can't fucking trade. Like right now, what you're seeing is me not being awful at trading. Oh wow, that was a fucking cock tease. I guess it's just trending down. I mean, what a fucking drop. How did I not see this? Because I fucking suck. All of a sudden, I don't know how to trade. Well, maybe I never knew how to trade, and I thought I did for a little bit. I was on a good run where I actually kind of knew what I was doing. Now, all of a sudden, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Roger Adams. Oh, man. That's a tough one. I mean, you could try to convince her and say every failure is getting me closer to success. As long as it's not affecting your ability to fucking pay bills, just tell her I'm fucking learning. And the only way I'm gonna get better is by continually fucking learning and failing. But the biggest way to get her off your back is to get fucking payouts and make money from it. Obviously. The trend is my friend. The trend is my friend. The trend is not my friend. But here it goes. Here we are, just fucking trending down this nine, riding down that shit. Like, I probably would have figured out a way to fuck up this bounce here. The trend is my friend. 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 Let's lock in some fucking gains. At least let me see if I could do that right. There we go. I'm sure I'm locking in gains. This is another thing that happens to me. I lock in gains, and then it stops going up. I mean, it takes me out, and then it keeps going up or down, either way, in either direction. But this is good. I'll take this. Now I'm only down 250 bucks or so. I'll take it. All this fucking dumb shit right here. All I have to do is hold. I guess it doesn't matter because I got back in. We're back at the VWAP. I locked in some gains at 80. Of course, I got taken out. It couldn't just keep going. It takes me out of one. At least it only took me out of one and not both. I think it comes up to about the 34, maybe. If it doesn't stop me out here, never mind. Never mind. But hey, I'm only down 233 bucks now. Could be worse. Curtis, you know what? You know how many times I get fucking burned by trying to flex my. What up, Glenn C? By trying to flex, like, by trying to develop my hold muscle. It's so fucking annoying. But now it's going to pump. If it doesn't reject the VWAP, it's going to fucking keep going up. I bet it keeps going up because I'm out now. But that was a good trade. I just keep getting fucking taken out of my fucking stop loss. Money bag, Mr. Moneybag, let it breathe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm minimizing gains, but dude, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. If I fucking didn't get, if I didn't lock these gains in, it would have been all the way back down here. I'm telling you, man. You haven't fucking been hanging out on my streams long enough. I'm telling you, bro. Shit happens to me all the fucking time. When I don't hold, when I lock, when I take gains, when I get locked, when I get stopped out for a gain because I'm bringing my fucking stop loss up, it keeps going. If I don't do it, if I don't lock in the gains, it fucking comes all the way back, and then I end up losing money. It happens so fucking often. I get fucked with all the time. I do have targets. My target was VWAP. Maybe if I was lucky, I would have gotten this. That's why I had my fucking my stop loss right underneath it because I was like, I'll keep it here in case it doesn't reject. Up here was wishful thinking. It'll probably go up that far. We get it, bro. I mean, you're a better trader than me. You know, I don't have the fucking. I was also down. I was also just down almost 800 bucks. So I got 500 of it back. So I'm cool with that. And now here we are coming back. I don't feel like fucking waiting around for this to maybe come back up. This could keep going down. And I was long. I got out like right near the top. But if I would have held, if I would have fucking stayed in this, I'd be down right now. But the fact that I got out tells me it's probably going to keep going up. But who knows? It's not looking great. I don't have, I'm going to be on for another hour or so. I don't know. I don't know if I want to ride out a trade that might come all the way back down. I have to wait an hour for it to come back up. I appreciate you, man. A lot of people try to help me out. A lot of people try to help me. And then half the people that, or more than half of the people that try to help me, I ask them like, "Hey, man, where are you at in your journey? Well, have you gotten a payout yet?" And they'll be like, "No." And I'm like, "What do we do?" And I don't get mad. I'm just like, "Bro, you know, I'm not saying I'm a good trader. I'm not professing to be a good trader, but like, we're all on our own journeys, and we all see the charts differently." This happened to me yesterday. Someone was on the stream yesterday trying to tell me how to fucking trade and tell me, "Oh, you're trading too large or this, that, and the other thing." And I'm like, "Bro, I'm just curious. Have you gotten a payout yet? How do you trade? Are you a prop firm trader? Are you a live trader?" "Oh, I'm a prop firm trader and I still haven't gotten a payout yet." I'm like, "Then what the fuck are you telling me this shit for?" You know? What up, Rich Walla? When is 89 good for a payout? Not anytime soon. I still got to get another 1,800 bucks. And a lot of times the people that are fucking are telling me the targets and all this shit, they're fucking ICT traders. Yeah, Captain Price, I'm gonna be fucking on. What up, man? Yeah, Jen, I don't listen to any of them, Jen. And even the ones that are even the ones that are good. Look, I should have fucking held, right? I should have just held. Let it breathe. Let it breathe to come all the way. I'd be down right now. This is why I lock in gains. And this is no fucking shot at you, Mr. Moneybag. This shit happens all the time. This is just what happens. You don't, especially during the overnight. Nothing is sacred. Nothing that we look at is sacred during the overnight. Nothing is ever sacred during any time of the day when you're trading because it's just the way it is. But during the overnight, especially when there's not as much volume, if I would have listened to you, like if I, and it's no offense to you, bro, or anyone else, if I would have listened to you, I would have given back all these gains and I'd be back to where I was about 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago. It might come back up. It might. And if it does, sure, maybe. But why would I want to let it breathe and come back down, fucking be down? What was my average entry? I got in, well, I got into at 75. So now it's at 71. I'd be down. I would have been, how fucking pissed off I would be if I was up, let's see, 185, 270. I got 260, 275 or whatever. If I was up that much and I gave it all back right now and I'm down, I'd be so fucking pissed. I maybe it won't break that low. You don't know for sure. And if you're right, then kudos to you, bro. But you don't know. So many people are so fucking certain when they see the shit when they're trading or when you're watching other people trade. Nothing is certain when it comes to trading, especially the NQ during the overnight. DC Alicanti. Yeah, Richwala, I know, man. I just breathing and relaxing right now. Chill out. Any words for the ICT traders? No. There's how many people are chilling on the stream right now? 73 people watching right now, myself included. So there's 72 other people, including me, because I'm watching on my other computer. Everybody sees the charts differently. He might also be trading for a longer term. He might be looking at longer time intervals. Like I'm looking, we rejected off the VWAP. I mean, I'm looking. This shit could fucking come back down to the lower VWAP band or just decide to fucking flush. I don't trust any of this shit, especially during the overnight. 72 people here hanging out, watching, hanging out, breathing and relaxing. 72 people see the charts are different, not identical. We all see what we see. Smart man, trade a guy locking yourself out, bro. What up, Franz? Latard. Latard. Mr. Moneybag, I tend to agree with you on that price not breaking here. But you know what? The worst thing that I could have done was hold this fucking position here. Why would I hold it? Why would I hold it and write it down fucking 20 fucking points? If anything, I'd rather fucking take my gains and then re-enter if I'm gonna re-enter at all. Curtis, Curtis is fucking following other people's trades, bro. Big mistake. I don't think you are though. I think you just want him to fucking be wrong. Maybe the next 1 minute candle. I mean, dude, it's this overnight is the overnight is fucking so unpredictable. Be good, Sharpnel. Be good, man. I like the trade I'm in right now, the one where I just sit on my hands and watch. This was a decent little bounce though. 69 to 81, 12 points. OC pedal pusher. Yeah, dude. I could tell you one thing. The Discord that we have isn't like that. I mean, there's definitely people that what they do, like a lot of people that are really good at trading, they share what they see. Like, look, this is what I'm seeing, and I'm taking this is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm gonna do. But on like on the lives, it happens more on live streams than anywhere else. And then when I'm not trading good, which is often, especially lately, sometimes I mean I went on a fucking run when I couldn't fucking lose. But this week has not been like that. But like it's usually on the streams more than any other time. More than any other time, it's on the streams more than the Discord because I have we have a Discord. We have a Discord where the DCA gang hangs out. We don't really have people in there trying to fucking coach people. We just have people fucking sharing what they see, sharing their wins and losses and their struggles and shit, and just trying to. We're all pushing for each other. On the stream though, Spencer Hurst, what up? What's up, Spencer Hurst? I just don't pay attention to what people. I don't. I will never take a trade that someone takes me to trade. Someone tells me to take on a fucking stream. I'm gonna take a trade that I want to take because I'm my own man. You posted your P&L in one Discord and people wanted your charts and your strat. Like, how? Yeah, like, yeah. That doesn't happen. That doesn't happen in mine. Either way, dude, I did not want to fucking sit in this trade and fucking come all the way back down. I got my money right here at this spot. I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm fine with this. The only thing I maybe would have been, yeah, here we are at the VWAP again. We'll see what happens. But a re-entry wouldn't have been a bad idea, obviously. But I I did the right thing locking in gains here. I locked in 270 bucks, 275 bucks before fucking fees. And then it fucking dropped. It dropped lower than where my entry was. Like, why the fuck would I hold that? Yo, oh, let me give you. Well, hold on. Let me give you a link. Pedal OC pedal pusher. It only works with an invite link. Here it is, Mister Money for OC pedal pusher and anyone else who wants to join. It does have a look of like a, well, not really. I mean, it looks like it might pump, but I don't know. I don't care. I'm good. I'm good with the trade I took. I'm perfectly fine with the trade I took. If anything, I should have went short at the VWAP and rode this fucking down. The scalper that I am should have taken this short and then fucking went back long. But I'm good. I'll wait for a better setup if there is one, maybe. OB Lazar, what's up? Uh, I was down. I was up. This is an eval. This is a funded account right here. I have 4 days of. I have 4 days of. No, I now have 5 days of $100 or more with my funded futures. The issue is I hit the fucking daily loss limit twice. Had I not hit the daily loss limit twice, I would have been able to request a payout. And that's what happened to me the first time around. So I don't like trading my funded futures funded accounts during the overnight. I'll wait for New York. Now we're having a dick measuring contest. Yeah, my funded future. If you don't have an account yet, if you've never gotten an account with them yet, they're running a promotion right now where you can get 40% off any size starter account um, with my funded futures. My funded future. Here's my link. It's also in the description below. Futures, 40% off for new users. There's my link. It's 5% off for everyone else, but at the same time, for only 76 bucks, you could be in like the cool thing about my funded futures is there's no fucking activation fee for a funded account. So what you pay for whatchamacallit, what you pay for an account is all you pay. You don't have to pay an activation fee. So a starter is 220. A 150K starter is usually 220. If you don't have an account, if you never had an account before with my funded futures, you could get it for 88 bucks. Just use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. What up, Karsten? Twister Joe. Oh yeah, they all do that. I mean, look at Apex. Their fucking sale. By the way, Apex is doing a sale. Yeah, dude. If you yeah, you'll save 40%. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. You'll save 40% on the account on your first account. Just make sure you get a starter account. They don't. It's not the offers. You'll only get 5% on the expert. $88 for a 150K starter account is insane. If you've never had an account with them before. Holy Grail. No, I didn't watch the debate. They didn't talk about anything important because fucking ABC was fucking. They didn't talk about from what I heard. They didn't talk about the fact that groceries are fucking super expensive. The fact that people can barely afford rent. The fact that gas is still a ton of money. You know, they didn't talk about anything important. But they only talked about what these fucking clowns at ABC asked them. It was all fucking bullshit. So why even bother watching? It's all fucking bullshit. It's all a fucking show. Yeah, yeah, he had to. I mean, but they didn't ask any of the questions. I guess the pivot point did hold on the 15, on the 5 and a 15. Lifestyle freedom, what up? Like Mr. Moneybags, like, do you want a fucking gold medal, bro? Like, I don't understand. Like, I get you and Spencer Hurst are having a little pissing contest, but just understand that I would never fucking take anyone's fucking trade. I was perfectly fine with my gains right here. But if I would have taken a trade down here, you would be like, oh, see, great job doing what I said. You know, I'm just out here fucking trying to fucking get money and share my fucking journey. But, I don't fucking like fucking following people's trades. But I'm glad look, I'm happy you made money, bro. I don't want you to lose money. I'm just not gonna ever take anyone's fucking trade advice in a fucking chat. Got a we got a lot of fucking Warren Buffetts that come in here. Damn, bro. Great job, Mr. Singh. That's a great job. That's a great fucking job. Get that money. Be good, Glenn. Like right, like why would I fucking the only logical thing for me would be to have re-entered here, but that's it. Not sit in this trade and let it come all the way back down. Because like if I would have sat in this trade and it came all the way back down with my luck, it would have fucking completely flushed. So I locked in my gains. That's it. If I took another 15 points, though, I'd be good. I'd be done for the day. But it is what it is. Hey, man, you'll. It is though. It is though. A lot of times for me, it is. Yeah, I get it's an algorithm. But what I'm saying is, if I were to hold this, it would have fucking dumped because that's what happens to me. So I'm perfectly fine with my gains that I locked in here. Nothing wrong with locking in $275 in gains. I didn't want to let it breathe and be down. Fucking give back all of the gains I had. The only logical thing for me personally would have been to re-enter. That's it. Now that's me. You saw it differently. You like to fucking sit in trades longer. That's fine. You said you're in since 7:30, so you're in a different position. You're already way the fuck up and probably locked in gains on the way up. I think you said you were in since 7:30. I don't even remember. I don't even care, bro. Honestly, I don't even fucking care. I'm happy that you made money on the trade, and I'm happy that you're very successful at trading. I love that for you, bro. Keep getting that money. We're all on our own paths. You should start your own channel and spread the ICT gospel. I mean, I don't love this price. Like this price action is fucking. It's barely moving. The time to be trading was when I was fucking sleeping. Right during this shit. Right here when it bounced. And just ride that shit the fuck up. Not that I would. The trend is not my friend. Yo, what up, Alan? What's good? Hey, if you guys, anybody trading with Apex or thinking about getting an Apex account, they're doing 80% off right now until the end of the day, until 11:59 p.m. Eastern, an $85 lifetime PA activation fee for any size account. Here's the link. Also, Take Profit Traders doing 50% off any size test account. Um, and 100% of your test fee refunded. Best coupon code for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Bullinox too. I think Bullinox is doing like 85% off right now or 83% off. Is ZERODAYJay. I'm gonna double check that. Yeah. Yeah, Bullinox is only 8. I wouldn't even get a Bullinox account at 83% off. I'd wait for 90%. Komodo dragon. Is today a good day to YOLO? I mean, during CPI, maybe. If you like to fuck around, if you like to gamble, if you like to gamble, today's definitely a good day to do that. This shit is moving so fucking slow. Back at the VWAP. You guys are funny. It's a nice little drop. HR. What up, Justin? What's good, man? I guess you walked into a fucking little shitstorm of a fucking pissing contest. What up, Mad Money Futures? Yeah, they're great accounts to have once you do pass, but yeah, they're fucking tough, man. They're tough, bro. So I like the 150s and the 150s are easy to pass. I like the 250s though. I want to get new ones, but I just don't have I haven't had the patience to fucking pass a 250 lately. I do dumb shit. I go up 6 or 7 thousand and then I fucking do dumb shit. But they're tough. Ultra, not exactly like Top Step, bro. You have to pass at the 150. The 150K starter, you have to do $300 a day for 5 days before you can request a payout. And you can request as much. You can request as much as 3,600 bucks. The thing about my fund and futures is they do have some sort of micro scalping rule. They don't want you being in trades less than 15 seconds and less than 5 points. Justin, yeah, you could definitely stay in trades longer. You could definitely stay in trades longer, Justin, with micros. I just don't like trading micros personally, especially when I catch a, on the losing side, it's great because you don't lose as much. But on the winning side, it's like, fuck, man, I just got 20 points and what did I get? Fucking 60 bucks, or 40 bucks or 80 bucks or whatever, depending on the size. Look at that shit. Came back down to the low from before, from what, almost an hour ago, and bounced right off of it. Bounced hard. That was some random shit right there. What's going on here? Sorry, I was reading something. What a fucking bounce. We just fucking tweeze. This shit's gonna pop. I mean, looks like a tweezer fucking pattern if I've ever seen one. At least on a 1 minute. Oh, Ron, what's up, Ron? I mean, I like Apex, Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. I have gotten paid from. I just got paid from Apex. This hit on Friday. 67.50. I'm up. My total payouts with Apex to date is 10,750. This one I didn't get paid this one, so that doesn't count. 10,750. I have not gotten a payout yet from Take Profit Trader. I'm working towards getting a payout. I just got this account funded. I just passed this account. What a fucking bounce. Basically 30 fucking points. I got none of it. Nice. That should happen quick too. That should happen quick. No thesis Lacanti. TJP, what up? If you have you're not going to get in trouble. But if that's like if you're asking about My Funded Futures, TJP, if it's like the average, if that's what's like the norm for you, yeah, they're gonna have a problem with it. If it happens, sometimes sometimes you can't help it. You get in a trade, and within fucking 7 seconds, you're up 10 points. What are you gonna do? You have to lock it in, right? What up, Rich? Apex doesn't always take 1 month till payout. I mean, it took. I requested my payout on the 15th, my first payout, like for the first accounts that were eligible for payouts. I got my money on the 6th. So it took less than 3 weeks, or 3 weeks exactly. But the last pay period, I mean, you asked me, I'm telling you. The only one I'd be able to get a payout from is Apex. I'll wait. If I don't care. As long as I'm getting the money, I don't give a fuck how long it takes. But the last pay period, the first to the fifth, people were getting approved within hours. Some people got approved in like 3 hours. Some people got approved the next day, a couple of days. So the first to the fifth pay period, from request to getting the money in the bank account, it's probably less than 10 days. But who knows what it's going to be the next one? I'll let you know though, because I'm locked in with 89. We'll see if I could get 96 there. I had 88 also. PA 88 was there too, but I fucked that up. This was the fucking play right here, playing this. But how was I supposed to, how was anybody supposed to know? Like, I mean, it made an equal low here, so you could have taken a shot, but it just kind of happened out of nowhere. I fucking wicked right down. Can't get over this, like this right here. I'm trying to Take Profit Trader is the next. Take Profit Trader and My Funded Future are the next prop firms I'm trying to get payouts from. I just passed this. I got over yesterday. I had to get to 9,000. I got over yesterday, and then today I was only through 4 days. Today is my day 5, so you need to trade a minimum of 5 days with Take Profit Trader. I got my 5th day in, so I'm done. So on Thursday I'll have a funded Take Profit Trader account again. We'll see what I could do with it this time. And then My Funded Futures. This one right here, I got a lot of work to do on number. This is an eval right here. This is whatever. I don't care about that, but I care about it, but I don't give a fuck about it at the same time. This is what I care about. Is this funded account right here? But I don't. I don't like trading my funded futures funded accounts during the overnight because sometimes you just can't get enough of the move. What up, Dinky? Jay Jackson, what's up? Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy about that, especially after what I did to my. I blew two more fucking Apex fucking funded accounts yesterday. So, and then right after I did that, I passed. I passed this, so I'm happy about that. What up, JJ? Yeah, would you take this NQ short right here? Nice job, man. Yeah, CPI is going to be monstrous, Dinky. You also have crude inventories today, crude inventory day and bond auctions. Oh, I thought you said you just took 30 points on a 50 contract short. That's fucking great, man. JJ. That's what I was saying. I was congratulating you. Yeah, I mean, this was a nice move, and now we're just doing shit. We're chopping. Maybe it's going to go up another leg. Maybe it comes down because it can't. It seems like it's having trouble getting over this level. Who knows? Yeah, look at that. Still having trouble getting over this area. What up, DBT? Yeah, who knows, Dinky? I mean, shit. I mean, it's we got 3 hours before anything happens. And we got this looks like a fucking inverted head and shoulders. I mean, I'm probably wrong, but it looks like a shoulder, a head, a shoulder. We might go up some more. Yeah, Sod, I'm getting fucking tired. I've been tired. I mean, I'm not trying to stay up till fucking 4 o'clock in the morning today. Yeah, we hit. Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, we can't seem to get over it. We literally hit 18,800 a bunch of times in the last, whatever. But if this is an inverted head and shoulders, the neckline is like right here. It could go up another 20 points. Yeah, it's What up? Just ain't right. Are you just getting started? You getting your day started? Yeah, it's 240 over here. DBT, I hope you have a green day as well, my friend. I officially passed my Take Profit Trader test account. My 150K test account is officially passed, so that's cool. Now I got to fucking. I'm done trading with 89 for the day. I'm okay with the fact that I lost $111. I was actually up 66, but of course I fucking gave it back. But I'm okay with that because I have my daily loss limit in place, and I can't lose any more. And I'm not gonna fucking turn it off because this is I have one more day to trade it basically, and then I can request $2,000. So I'm not gonna repeat the same shit I did with 88. That was fucking stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't set the daily loss limit to allow I let myself go on tilt in an account that was fucking. I had $2,000 guaranteed in that account. I found a way to fuck it up. Yeah, just ain't right. Fucking can't wait to get to work on that fucking account. Yeah, this is what I thought was gonna happen. I think I still think it's gonna go up, but it might not happen. I might not even stay on long enough for it to happen. Oh shit, dude, you're right there, man. You're right there. I would try to get it done before CPI if I were you, bro. Dinky. Yeah, I used to. I mean, I might if I could if I could get on at 2:30, I'm down for that. I used to get on around 2:30. I used to try to get on between 2 and 2:30, and like it just kept getting later and later. And now it's like just power hour. It's always power hour. But I would love to get on. I would love to get on. Is this going to dump here? I would love to play it bouncy. I get on for power hour. I mean, I trade. I also, I don't just trade when I stream, obviously, but ideally, I'd like to get on before power hour, but it just always ends up being power hour during the New York session, and then I stream till about 5 p.m. So I go all the way to the end of the end of New York. But I want to get back to getting on earlier, like around 2:30 p.m. Eastern. Is this going to drop? I mean, this looks on the 5 minute. This looks like we could be forming a double top here, but who knows? I still think it goes up. I don't know. I don't not. I don't really like what I'm seeing right now. It's fucking. This is what's going to be going on for the next fucking couple of hours until it figures out what it wants to do. Here we go. Double top. We dropping. That was. Oof. I almost tried to go long here too. Thank God I didn't get filled. Yo, what up, Antonio? We basically haven't been able to get below this. What is this? The fucking 300 on the fucking 1 minute. We got a little bit lower than it right there, but since we dropped, we bounced off of it here, here, here. I'll count that as a bounce off of it, and then here again. I'm definitely not enjoying this price. Yeah, were there some scalping opportunities here for sure, but like the last, one. This is a 5 minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like the last hour and 20 minutes that you have basically have gone nowhere. Just been in this range. You were short before, yeah, yeah, man. I don't. I mean, I'm not trying to force any trades. I already did enough fucking damage. I definitely could have fucking played this. This was a good play right here. Is this gonna go up now? Like, what the fuck are we doing? So weird. What the fuck? What account am I in? Oh, I'm trying to trade the wrong account. That's why. That's why I keep getting rejected. Is it gonna pop now? That was a nice. Let's see what happens here. Probably gonna fucking dump now because I'm in long. When we got back over the VWAP, I mean, we dipped below real quick. That was like a fucking. I feel like that was just a shakeout. But here we are. There we go. Give me. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Keep going. That's what I wanted. Really? That's all I'm gonna get is $60. Get the fuck over that 200. Keep going. I'll take that. Eh, I'll take that though. 110. Now I'm only down 126 in that account. I mean, the spread is pretty. The spread is rough. Oh, sorry guys. The spread is like, oh, good, great job, fucking. At least I got out of that shit. The spread is like 4 to 5 ticks right now. Is it going to come back up? Getting fucking cold in this room. Fuck. I'll be right back. I gotta get more water. Oh, oh, look what I missed. I missed a fucking 10 or 12 point pop. Oh well. I guess if I just held this, it'd be another 120 bucks. What up, Dan Emmons? Of course, it happens when I leave. I canceled the order. I wouldn't have gotten filled because I moved it down here. Nice little bounce from here. Basically, almost 30 points. Yeah, it's just moving so fucking slow right now. Look at that shit still go. So glad I got 110, 15 points. Got a fucking headache. Bo Vosh. Nice job, man. Nice job. What up, Tiago? Yeah, nah, garage always, because I don't hold long enough. I mean, fuck, man. I could have gotten another fucking, 15 points or so. It's starting to move around fast. I mean, we're getting closer to CPI, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. I expect it to be a little bit more. I feel like shit's gonna start picking up. He said he passed it the same. Well, two set. JJ it was 2 sessions, bro. He did New York. He did New York and then Asia. So he traded before the market closed, before New York closed yesterday, and then he traded Asia after. What's up, Zach? Yeah, it's gonna be fucking wild. I'll be sleeping for that shit. Awesome job. Fuck that. Yeah, he didn't do it in one day. It was 2 sessions, but for him it was the same day. It might have been a 50K though. He could still do it. You could do literally do 15. You could do with the exact amount. I don't know. I'm red everywhere I traded, but it was a lot worse in this account. This account was oh, that's fucking bright. This account was down a lot. This account was actually up like 900 bucks, and it was down like 7 or 800. Now it's only down 182. I haven't traded this since before I came on, way before I came on. This account, Zach, I only needed to trade. I'm done. I mean, this I passed this yesterday, but I had to get another day in, so I was like, I'll fucking trade micro. I'll flip a micro, and I was like, oh, let me see if I could get a trade, make some money trading. I couldn't even make money trading micros, and then this account was up, but this account's locked 89. I locked myself out at 89 because I'm on day 9 and I'm over. I set a daily loss limit for 100 bucks. So of course I took a shot, and I'll take a shot again tomorrow, and then I can request a payout on Sunday. Yeah, no tilt today. And this account was down a lot. This account was down like fucking 800 bucks before. And then, because I kept getting bottom ticked. I literally kept getting bottom ticked, and then it fucking I finally won some trades. But this, I would have been green, like if I would have fucking, where is it? 96? 96 if I would have fucking, if I would have held this longer. I mean, fuck. I'd be green right now, but whatever. What else is new? Yes, sir. Nagaraj. Not well. Yeah. Technically, I do have a pro account. I just don't have it yet. I have to wait. I'm not going to be able to get it until Thursday. Today is my day 5. This is day 5. I went over 9,000 yesterday. I pushed over um, on Tuesday, but that was only day 4 for me. This is my day 5. So Thursday during New York, I will have a funded take profit trader account, a pro account. Yeah, nice job, Bovash. Great job. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the fucking goal. That is the goal. My goal is to be getting habitual payouts from multiple prop firms. Well, that went up 20 points from when I got out. I love when that happens. Uh-oh. We bouncing off this 1 minute 21 here. Or we're gonna keep dropping. Oh, guess we keep dropping. Bouncing off the 34s, maybe. Looks like it. Eh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Am I gonna regret this? I guess we'll find out. Yep, already regret it. Is it coming all the way back to fucking VWAP? Or is it bouncing around here? Oh, there we go. Keep going. Oh, just starting to get fucking wild. We're getting bigger candles here. That's fucking stupid. Jesus. I guess I could have made a quick $50 if I exited fast enough. Too soon, too slow. What up, STC? Apex is fine, man. People are getting, everybody that I know that had to make a video for the 15th and the 20th period got paid. Whoever made the video that I know got paid. And then everybody I know who requested a payout based on the prop firm streets, aka the chat and my Discord, everybody who requested payouts on the 1st to the 5th of September literally got approved anywhere from fucking 3 hours to like 2 days. So I think they got their shit together, but who knows on the next one? Who knows on the next one? We'll see. I'm gonna request at least one payout. Server Thanos. I was looking at the. I like playing, taking trades off the one. I'm cool with this. I'm cool with what I'm doing right now. I just don't know if it's gonna keep going. Oh, I should have taken the 50 fucking bucks. This shit's all over the place. Honestly, I don't even like. I don't even know if I want to trade this shit. Probably a good time for me to go to bed after this fucking trade. It's starting to get a little buck nutty. Like I was just up 50 bucks. It couldn't fucking keep going up. Well, look at it. It's just all over the place. Go all the way to fuck back up. I'm locking. I'm not fucking around here. Oh God, give me a fucking chance to fucking move my stop up. And there we go. There we go. I'm locking that in. I'll take that. Is it gonna keep going? Keep going. Oh, I'm back fucking green for a split second. Pump it. Go all the way up. Come on, go up another leg. That's okay. That works for me. Oh, now it's gonna go up. Watch it pump. Yeah, fucking knew that was gonna happen. How did I know that was gonna happen? Already up 4 points. What a fucking. What a. What a. I would definitely be green now. I got out at 550. It hit fucking 10. Let's just say 10 because the spread is fucking 3 or 4 ticks at this point. Fuck that. But that was a good. I'll take that trade. I mean, shit. Is it gonna pop again? This account was fucking down. Let's see, 89 or 96. What the fuck? Ah, hang on a second. Hang on a minute. Well, STC, are you asking if it's a requirement to make a video for Apex? It is not a requirement. They did ask a bunch of people, though. I was not one of them. I did not have to make a video to get a payout. And if they did ask me, I would have gladly made a fucking video if it meant I was going to get my fucking money. Like, I don't understand why people had such a fucking problem with that. wasn't that big of a deal. There's a reason why they did it. You don't know what fucking agencies are breathing down their neck, maybe fucking making them do that shit, compliance or something. Who the fuck knows? Whatever reason they did it, everyone that I know who said they had to who said they had to make a video, um, got paid. Every single one of them. Yeah, I didn't start off too high in this account. 130, 70, 185, 105, and I was down in the last position I took that ended up getting green, but what was that 200, 500 realized losses, and then I got it all back except for 30 bucks. All I had to do was hold a little bit fucking longer, but whatever. It's fine. I'm good with being only down 30 bucks. So yeah, STC, if you're still here, bro, it is not a requirement to make a video to get paid. They just randomly did that to a bunch of people. They might ask you, but I don't know. I haven't been asked, and I just got that same pay period. I did not get asked. Yeah, Zach. I mean, at this point, like, why the fuck would you not make the video? Hey, this is how I trade. This here, look, this is what I like to look for. Here's some examples. Oh, look, we're at that spot right now. I'm gonna take a trade. Not that big of a deal. I mean, there literally are services out there that will fucking trade your account for you. So, they just want to make sure, I guess, and there's groups that are out there, they're all taking the same trades. Who the fuck knows? Yeah, man. If you want to grab an account, make sure you use the best coupon code in the world, ZERODAYJAY, to grab an account. Here's my link. It's also in the description below, but I'm a habitual link dropper. Here's my Apex link. They're doing 80% off right now until the end of the day, basically. And you could get lifetime PA activation fee of only 85 bucks if you pass by the end of the day. Damn, I wish I fucking held a little bit longer, but we all know. I don't know, man. No one had this. No one had anyone who made a video didn't have an issue, and not everyone had to make a video. Will I trade the inflate for CPI? Mark, no, man. I'll be sleeping, dude. Yeah, Mark. Mark, look at that. Mark was approved in 5 days, no video, payout deposited in 1 day after approval with Apex. There you go. What up, Porn? What's good? Yeah, Mark, I'll be sleeping for when CPI numbers post. It's late for me. It's 3:20 in the morning. I'm in Vegas. So I'm basically still on yesterday, you know. The good news is I don't have to take my son to work at 6 in the morning. That's the fucking at least I don't have to fucking wake up in 2.5 hours to take him to work and then try to go back to sleep for a couple of hours. I could actually go to sleep soon and sleep for at least like 5 or 6 hours straight, which would be fucking glorious. My son doesn't have work because he's got a driving lesson that kind of cut into his day. Ew. Bouncing off the 34 again. I don't like the way it curled down though. This thing could fucking just keep dropping. I have a feeling it's going to drop below these 34s. Although I love the 34s for bounces and rejections, I just think it's going to drop below it. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I guess I was wrong. Kind of looked like they just wanted to keep going. I wonder if they're going to pump this just to dump it again. I can't imagine the numbers are going to be good. Does anybody think the numbers with the CPI numbers are going to be positive? Like, come on. The only way they're going to be able to spin it is, well, it's not that bad. It could have been a lot worse. Everything is fucked. Yeah, I canceled that order. I canceled that order. Let me make sure I don't. I mean, this account's locked. I can't trade 89 anymore. Yeah, Eric, what up, Eric? I mean, we definitely had some decent moves here, for sure. I mean, look at this. We went from 78 to fucking 815, 37 points. And then here, I mean, we pulled back like 10, 15, and then we fucking bounced 10, 15. Yeah, well, Zach, the Fed, man, it's dude, they're all fucking scumbags. They're all full of shit, Mark. They're all full of shit. Let's see. You could trade, Zach. You could trade certain news items. They don't want you trading a funded account. They don't want you trading FOMC, CPI. I knew it was curling down. I fucking knew it. They don't want you trading FOMC, CPI, and non-farmer payroll. You could trade PMI and other shit. Let me fucking knowledge base. Take profit trader. I just took a screenshot of this. Here, I'll show you in a second. Let me go in the Discord. I sent this to somebody in a DM in the Discord. Watch this. I don't have to go digging looking for it. Here it is. All pro accounts must be out of all positions and have no open orders 1 minute before, during, and after the news events that follow. FOMC, non-farmer payroll, and CPI. In addition to those news events, the following news events are prohibited for specific. So not every single red folder event. If you trade crude oil, do not trade crude oil during crude oil inventories, which is also happening today. Crude oil inventories are today as well, and so are bond auctions. They're doing bond auctions, so don't trade the 10-year note or the 30-year bond. I don't even know how to fucking trade those things, but don't do it because that's happening today as well. So CPI, crude oil, and bond auctions today. Don't trade crude oil during crude oil inventories. Let's go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory. What's today? The 11th, September 11th. By the way, yeah. Crude oil is at 10:30. The 10-year bond auction's at 1 o'clock. So like there's other news event, like you could trade PMI, you could trade other shit, but don't trade those. Just wait until it happens. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah. I mean, they're pretty fucking. Did he get filled? Did he get filled? They're pretty hard. They're pretty strict about it. I don't know. I feel like they. I don't know. I would hit up support. I wouldn't send an email. Why would anyone send the emails when you can just hit up the chat? When you hit up chat, you'll get a response eventually on chat or via email. I wouldn't just send them an email. I would send like literally hit the chat up. There's a chat. There's a chat box right on their website, and a lot of times someone's on there. And if not, you can submit your info there. You can submit your name and email address there, and then get a response. But I've never just sent an email to them. Yeah, yeah, Eric K. Without a doubt, dude. Without a doubt. I'm not even going to be up. Wow, look at that. Are we bouncing off the VWAP? Or this is? Are we just gonna? Are we just gonna consolidate in this fucking? You see this little channel that we got here? We bouncing off the VWAP here? What are we doing? Fucking wrong account again, you piece of shit. Uh-oh. I really wish I got filled down here, but whatever. Oh yeah, bounce, bitch. Oh, I'm fucking green. Hell yeah. Want to stay green. Oh yeah, keep fucking going. Green on the day. I'll take it. I was down a fuck ton. Oh, I don't care. That works for me. I'm green, motherfuckers. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh man, it fucking took a while. What up, GMAT? Yeah, you could do whatever you want with evals, bro. With Take Profit Trader, any of these prop firms, they don't give a fuck what you do with evals. You could literally fucking go full port right when the fucking right when the report drops. They don't give a fuck. Whatever happens here, I don't care. I'm good. I got back to green. I was fucking down pretty big. Yeah, yeah, that sucks, Zach. I mean, they do have the rule. I mean, they literally said don't have any open orders. It sucks when that shit happens though, but it does fucking blow. It does blow. He can't be. You always got to make sure you close out all your fucking orders. I've left orders open and got fucked, but not that way. That's a special kind of fucking. Yeah, nice bounce off of VWAP. Nice bounce off the VWAP. Where's all my shit? Why is it not loading? That was weird. There we go. That's the hourly. Ah, another 5 points. Nice bounce. I'm cool with this though, man. I just wanted to stay fucking, I just wanted to stay, I didn't want to fucking get stopped out and not be green. Now I'm back green. I'm cool. I can move forward from there. Maria, what's going on? Man, $100 is fucking expensive. Like if you don't have the whole idea. Oh, thanks, GMAT. Well, big shout out to Alpine. Yeah, Alpine's super chill. Me and Alpine are homies now. He he likes watching me fucking trade like a degenerate. But yeah, man, I'm glad you found me. Yeah, I stream during the overnights. I'm trying to like readjust my schedule so that like I could get on a little earlier, like 11:30 my time. I'm in the West Coast, which is like 2:30. Man, that sucks. 95. It literally went up another fucking 10 points. But if I could get on at like 11:30 or 2:30 a.m. Eastern and get off at like 5:30, 4:30, 5:30, I would love that because like I just don't get a lot of sleep. I haven't been getting a lot of sleep for a while. But my son's about to get his license. Once my son gets his fucking license and can take his own ass to work, man, that would be awesome. Because then I could get off at like 3:30 and just sleep for 5 straight hours, 5 or 6 straight hours without being interrupted, without getting this. This is what I've been getting at 5:55 in the morning to take him to work. And then I have to go back home and fall back asleep for another 2 hours if I'm lucky. That was a nice little pop. I'll take it though. I'm fucking green now in this account. I'm good. This account is locked. I got another day and I need one more day to trade this fucking account. I'm gonna do the same thing. As long as I stay over 52,689, I'm getting a payout. I had 88 at 3,200 and I forgot to fucking set, I forgot to set the risk settings. Oh man. I mean, that's a tough, Zach, man. That's a tough lesson to learn, man. That fucking sucks. That's a hard lesson to learn. They specifically say it though, bro. I mean, fuck. He's got to remember to close out his orders. Of course, that's just awful luck too. Like, of course, his order gets filled. Of course, his order's open and it gets filled during the news event, and he's not around. So, Maria, are you still here, Maria? Let me know if you're still here. I'll try to do my best to explain how prop firms work. You don't have to pay $100 to get a 50K account. With Apex, you could get an account for $33. But there's multiple steps with most prop firms. Some do direct to funded. I don't think you're ready for that. If you're asking these questions, you're definitely not ready for that. But so the idea is you get an account. These are funded accounts, PAs. That stands for performance account. All right, cool. So I have a funded account. These are evals, 523 and 524. So I need to get this account. This is a 150K. I need to get this to 9,000 bucks. I paid 50 bucks. I paid $50 for this account. If I get it to $9,000 in profit, this is Apex. This is one of the prop firms. There's a ton of them out there. I trade with Apex, Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. Apex probably is the most newbie friendly prop firm out there. One of the most newbie friendly just because of the cost of evals are cheap. You could get this is a 50K right here. I paid $33 for this. I mean, and it's monthly, but I mean, it might take you longer to get to either pass or blow an account. But I pass and blow accounts in one day or even one trade because I'm at a different place in my journey. I just want to get the shit over with. So the idea is you have to pass, right? There's a profit target on a prop firm account. So in the 50K, it's $3,000. You have to get the $3,000 in profit. And then the next phase is you get a funded account. With Apex, right now they're running a promotion that actually ends today. $85 lifetime PA activation fee. So to be all in with a funded account, it would cost you, if you were to do it on your first try, obviously, it would cost you about a 120 for a 50K. My funded futures is running a deal right now where if you're a first time user, you could get a 50K account. Watch this. You could get a 50K starter account with my funded futures for $48, but there's no activation fee. There's no activation fee. If you use code zero, my links are in the description below. You could so a lot of prop firms, like when you pass the eval and you have to get the funded account, you have to pay an additional activation fee. Like Apex, my funded futures does not have an activation fee on any of their account sizes, even when there's no promotion going on. Their default is 5%, but for $48 a month, for $48 one time, well, not one time, but for $48, you could have a funded account and get to a payout. I mean, a lot of people get through payouts in a lot less than a month. But if you're new to this, it might take you a little longer. So keep that in mind. Normally, it's about $76 because after the first time, one use per customer. So this is for new users only. If you've never had a My Funded Futures account and you want to try them out, this is probably a good time because you could get 40% off using coupon code ZERODAYJAY, any size starter account. Normally that discount is about 5%, but you don't have an activation fee. So you could be all in with a funded account for $76. You still have to pass, obviously. I'm so glad I'm fucking green. So that's that. I mean, it's most of these prop firms are 2 steps. Take profit trader. I wouldn't trade if I were you, Maria. I wouldn't. What's up, lease estimator? I wouldn't trade take profit trader if you're brand new to this. It's definitely for a little bit of a more experienced trader. And then the other thing you got to keep in mind is there's something called drawdown. So you don't want to go up. You don't want to go down $2,500 from with some of them is like it's trailing from your most recent high. So you don't want to go down. You don't want to hit the trailing max drawdown. Like if you go down $2,500 from wherever you're at from the high spot, you'll lose the account. You got to keep that in mind too. That was a nice little pop there. Now I'm really fucking. Now I really wish I held 13 points. Whatever, it's fine. I'm back green. I was down. I was down as much as $700 or $800. If you want to check out My Funded Futures, Maria, that might be it's either Apex or My Funded Futures. I mean, I don't know if you're new to all this. I don't just expect to fail. Just expect to like blow accounts. Don't like if you get an account, you get your first ever account and you blow it, don't fucking quit. Like it might take you 10, 20 tries before you get a funded account. It took me 7 months to get my first payout. Some people do it a lot faster. What up, Michael? Just take your time, learn some shit about trading. I don't know where you are and I don't know if you know how to trade or not. Just, take your time. Don't be in a rush. What up? What up, Cover? Here's my link for My Funded Futures. 40% off for new users. 5% off existing for not new users. Use coupon code ZERODAYJ. Best code ever for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and Bullinox is ZERODAYJ. Just so you know, guys, Apex is 80% off deal and $35 resets is expiring tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account goes away tonight as well. Is my link for Apex. I'm just dropping it in here because I'm a habitual link dropper. I have no fucking shame. And then Take Profit Trade is doing 50% off any size test account right now. Here's my link. Coupon code ZERODAYJAY. You know the deal. You know the rest. It's fucking 3:42. What's cool is I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'll get to fucking. I will literally, aside from dogs moving around in the bed and waking me up, I won't be getting this, and then have to get up and get in my car and drive, and then come home and try to fall back asleep. So I'll be able to literally sleep for like a good 5 hours straight. Can't fucking wait, guys. It's been a while. During the week, during the trading week, it's been a while. I wonder what's going to happen today. Is it going to pump? Well, it's going to pump and then dump. I could see that happening. It's definitely going to go. It's definitely going to move at least 100 or 200 points in either direction, one way or the other. Yeah, this shit's fucking. Yeah, 40% off new users. So your first, it's like one account use. It's right here, one use per customer. So if you're wanting to try my funded futures for the first time, now's a good time to do it because it's 40% off any size account. $48 to get a funded account, like $48, and if you pass, you're all in with a funded account for $48. It's fucking insane. With a 50K, 132 is pretty good too. If you could pass the 150K, this is good until September 30th. Only for starter plans. But even 5% off, like it's five. Even the 5% off is not the greatest deal, but you don't have to pay an activation fee when you pass. So that's it's baked in. Is it a half a day today? No, today's a regular day. Today's a big digital. Yo, dude, today's a monster day. It's fucking today's fucking CPI. There's gonna be some crazy movement today. The red folder event. This is gonna move the market fucking. This is gonna move the market a bunch. It's happening in less than 2 hours. What are my funded futures rules? How many days to pass? You could pass in one day. You could pass an account. You could pass evals in one day with my funded futures. Yeah, it's a great deal. Even if you pay full price, it's a great deal because you don't have to pay the activation fee. Um, Zach, the biggest thing that they don't want you to do, here's how you could get paid. You have to have five. It depends on the size of the account. I don't really know how expert works. I've only traded the starter accounts. I still don't really know how to money with expert works. What the profit target is on a funded account, but on starter accounts, for a 50K, it's $100. You have to have 5 days of $100 or more. For 100K, it's 5 days of $200 or more. And for 150K, you have to have 5 days of 300 or more. And I think the most you can request on a 50K is 1,200. The most you can request on a 100K is 2,400. The most you can request on a 150K, which is actually really good, is 3,600. But you have to have a certain buffer and shit. Like I think you have to have at least $250 on a 50K to request a payout. some shit like that. Like you don't want to like they have the daily loss limit, but you don't lose the account. It's a soft breach on the daily loss limit. So like in my case, like this fucking account right here, I hit the fucking I have 3 day I have 5 days of $100 or more, but I fucking once again hit the daily loss limit twice. So obviously I can't request a payout. I'm not even over break even. So I have to get this thing back to like I have to get this to like $1,100 before I can request a payout. But I'll try. I'll certainly try. And then this is some bullshit fucking eval that I'm just gonna fucking I'm gonna go fucking all in at a you know at a certain spot and see if I could fucking grow it. You could only have on the 50K starter account on the eval, it's only three. You can only trade 3 minis. Yeah, no problem, Digital. Yeah, CP. Yo, today's gonna be a monster day. There's also fucking. There's also yeah. If you want to grab an account, use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. My link is in the description below. My link is in the chat right above too. I just posted my links for everything. Yeah, no problem, Zach. It's pretty good. The only thing they don't want you doing is micro scalping. They don't want you to be in a position less than 15 seconds. Yeah. They also have the most slippage. If you trade on Top Step X, they also have the most slippage. The fucking slippage is awful on Top Step X. Um, but yeah, they're very flexible with their rules. I almost got paid on Top Step a couple of weeks ago and I fucked myself. I should have just taken the money. But yeah. Yeah, if you want to support the channel, use coupon code ZERODAYJ. It would be much appreciated. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're hanging out here right now is support enough. For reals. What up, Eric J? Look at Eric K and Eric J. Look, Eric literally copied and pasted what Eric K said. Did anybody else see that? It's fucking funny. Is is it the same person? Or is it just someone fucking with Eric K? That's hysterical. So with Eric J, he's just gonna Eric K. Anytime Eric K says something, Eric J is gonna say the same thing. That's what you got to do from now on. So Eric J, you should have said horrible slippage too. That's fucking hysterical. I love that shit. I love shit like that in the fucking chat. I like that shit so much more than when someone's fucking slapping their dick on the table, talking about how awesome of a trader they are, telling them, this is what I did, this is what you should do this, do that. Like we had Mr. Moneybags on before, and he's super chill. Like I respect his fucking trading game. Like he's a great trader, but he was like, rubbing in how fucking good of a trader he is. Which, I appreciate that. Like that's cool, but like not everybody appreciates that. And like there are people that are on the stream that are fucking struggling, that aren't there yet, that aren't where he's at yet. And they don't, I know they don't appreciate it. You got to come across a certain way. Yeah, yeah, that's Eric. That's what I thought, man. I know I've seen you both on at different times. It's fucking funny. It's hysterical, man. Hysterical. Yeah, Top Step X's slippage is so bad, bro. You could like literally like drag your stop up to lock in gains, right? If you're like in a position and you're up big, and you could be like, all right, I'm gonna lock in gains here, like, and it tells you, like, it literally tells you on the chart the way Top Step X is like, oh look, if I put my stop here, and it comes back down to it, I'll get $120, and then it comes back down to it, and you end up with fucking 80. You're like, what the fuck? What up, Kiwi? Yeah, Eric's like that. Eric's like to have more fun. Eric, yeah, but I'm all for I'm all for sharing the wins. Share your wins. I fucking love. I love celebrating the wins. I celebrate everybody's wins as anytime as often as I can. I'm always about pounding that confetti like roast beef, all that shit. So some people come in here and they start telling me, "Oh, take this trade, take that trade. This is what you should do." You know, I'm the best, and I start beating their fucking chest. Like, man, I get it. I get it. You're fucking good. You see the charts better than a lot of people, myself included. But man, I will never take anyone's fucking trade that they fucking post in the chat. I just won't. And then everybody was breaking his, and then everybody got into a little pissing contest, and they were fucking with him, you know. But I respect his trading acumen. What up, Kinja? Hell no, I'm not trading CPR. I'm going to sleep. I gotta go to bed. I haven't, I passed out on the couch before for like an hour and a half, but that doesn't count. I mean, this is a cool place to post like your fucking, your day, like your P&Ls and shit. We got a section for that in the Discord. By the way, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. We have a Discord where the DGen fam and the DCA gang hangs out. I'm gonna drop the link in there, and then I'm gonna fucking head out because I'm fucking shot. It's free to join if you guys are not in there yet. Yeah, Eric J, I know you're fucking around, bro. What up, Mo? What up, Mo? Code for, yeah, it's gonna be either a dump and pump or a pump and dump. And then whenever it's done doing either or, it's gonna go back the other way. Or just might just fucking flush for the, who knows, man. But here's the Discord link. There's definitely gonna be a big move. There's definitely gonna be a big move. The market's been kind of shitty for the last fucking couple of days, right? Kind of like the market's waiting for this fucking CPI to fucking drop. Monday and Tuesday were kind of shitty. Not as much movement and shit. But you guys are. It's free to join. You guys are more than welcome to join if you're not yet a member. Um, we'd love to have you. It's a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders. That's where the DCA gang hangs out. Yeah, no problem, GMAT. There's like 550 members right now. I mean, obviously not all 550 participate. Let me see. Let me see here. $559. So that's pretty cool. There could be a lot more. Like I could post a link. I could have my link for the Discord in all of my videos and shit, but I don't do that. I like to only post it while I'm streaming. So like, we're all hanging out, we're all breathing and relaxing in the chat. I'm like, hey man, if you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. And then 99% of the time, cool people join because we're all chilling in the chat. Whereas if I had it in the fucking video in all my descriptions and shit, and I posted it everywhere, there would be a lot of fucking jerk offs in the chat. I think so. I'd have, the Discord would have 3,000 people in it right now or whatever, but it would be a lot of fucking douchebags, and I don't want douchebags in the Discord. I want cool people that have been hanging out, like you guys. So I'm more of a quality over quantity type of guy when it comes to that shit. Yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen for the rest. I need to fucking make sure I don't have any open trades, any open orders. What up, Bino? What's good? You catching me as I'm getting off though, man. I'm sorry. What up, boss? Everybody's getting up for the day, getting ready to fucking slam some fucking contracts for fucking CPI. Yeah, of course, Michael. Of course, man. You'll learn a lot of shit in there. There's some really good traders in there. There's just a lot of awesome people in there, but there's really good traders in there that freely share their fucking, their knowledge and their experience and their wisdom. I post a lot, I post a lot of, I don't really, I'm not the one that teaches. I'm not the one that teach. I'm not the guy you want to learn from. Unless you just want to learn the, never quit, never say die mentality. I mean, I won't ever quit. Like I'm fucking, you know, I'm on my 524th fucking eval. Yeah, I'll be good, Eric J. Yeah, same with you, man. What up, Josh? CPI, do or die. Josh. Man, I'm fucking getting off, man. You came on. You woke up too late. A lot of people are waking up for the day right now, getting ready for work and shit, or just getting ready for CPI. I'm going to sleep. It's time for bed. Yeah, man. Anytime, bro. Michael. More than happy to have you in there. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna run because I gotta go to sleep. Um, it's been a pleasure. I'll be on during Power Hour. I'll try to get on before Power Hour, but I will definitely be on during Power Hour for New York, 3 p.m. Eastern. I'll try to get on around 2:30. That's like I got to get back to getting on around 2:30, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm doing what I can. Just depends on what my day's like. But look for me for Power Hour. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. All that good shit. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Be careful during CPI or be dangerous. Whatever you want to do. All right, guys.